If you use a Mac and constantly deal with messy windows, resizing apps, or multitasking across multiple screens, you have probably heard about Moom. It's a lightweight window management app designed to make organizing your desktop faster and easier. But is Moom actually worth using in 2026, and how does it compare to newer tools like Raycast or Rectangle? In this video, I will cover Moom's features, pros, cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. What is Moom? Moom is a Mac window management app developed by Manytrix. Its main purpose is simple, helping you move, resize, and organize windows quickly. And instead of manually dragging windows around your screen, Moom lets you snap apps into layouts using mouse controls, keyboard shortcuts, custom presets, saved window arrangements. It works on macOS and is especially useful for productivity focused users. Main features: window snapping. The core feature of Moom is window snapping. You can quickly place windows into half screen, corners, full screen, custom sizes. Just hover over the green maximize button on Mac, and Moom shows layout options instantly. It's simple but extremely useful if you multitask often. Custom keyboard shortcuts. Moom allows you to create keyboard shortcuts for almost everything. For example, move a window to another monitor, resize apps instantly, create a window, create custom layouts. This makes workflow automation much faster, especially for power users. Save window layouts. One of Moom's best features is the ability to save workspace layouts. You can reopen multiple apps in the exact same positions without one shortcut. This is great for video editing, coding, research work, trading setups, and multi-monitor workstations. Multi-monitor support. Moom works very well with multiple displays. You can move windows between monitors quickly and create different layouts for each screen. If you use an external monitor with a MacBook, this feature becomes very useful, lightweight, and fast. Unlike some modern productivity apps, Moom is extremely lightweight. It uses very little system resources and runs quietly in the background. That's important for users who don't want another heavy app slowing down macOS. Pros of Moom: very easy to use. The interface is minimal and straightforward. Even beginners can understand the main features within minutes. Excellent customization. You can create highly customized workflows and layouts. Advanced users will appreciate the flexibility. Great performance. Moom is stable, fast, and optimized for macOS. It doesn't feel bloated. One time purchase. Unlike many modern productivity apps, Moom is not subscription based. You pay once and own it permanently. That alone makes it attractive for many users. Cons of Moom: Mac only. There is no Windows version. If you switch between operating systems, this may be a downside. Interface feels old. Moom works well, but visually it feels a bit outdated compared to newer apps like Raycast or Magnet. The design focuses more on functionality than appearance. Learning advanced features takes time. Basic snapping is easy, but advanced automation and custom layouts can take time to fully learn. Moom versus other window managers. Moom versus Rectangle. Rectangle is free and excellent for keyboard shortcuts, but Moom offers more customization, saved layouts, better advanced controls. If you only need basic snapping, Rectangle may be enough. Moom versus Magnet. Magnet is simpler and easier for casual users. Moom is better for advanced productivity workflows and custom setups. Moom versus Raycast. Raycast includes window management features, but it's part of a much larger productivity platform. Moom is more focused specifically on window organization. Pricing. Moom is a paid app with a one-time purchase model. There is usually a free trial available, which is helpful before buying. For many Mac users, the price is reasonable considering how much time it can save daily. Who should use Moom? Moom is best for Mac power users, developers, content creators, students, remote workers, multi-monitor users. If you constantly organize windows manually, Moom can genuinely improve productivity. But if you only occasionally multitask, a free app like Rectangle may already be enough. Final verdict and conclusion. Moom may not be the flashiest Mac productivity app in 2026, but it remains one of the most reliable window managers available. It's fast, lightweight, customizable, and focused entirely on improving desktop organization. The biggest advantages are saved layouts, strong customization, excellent performance, one-time payment. The main downsides are the older looking interface and the learning curve for advanced features. Overall, if you want serious window management on macOS, Moom is still absolutely worth considering. And that's everything you need to know about Moom. If this video helped you and was useful to you, make sure to like and subscribe for more productivity app reviews and comparisons. And let me know down below in the comments, what's your favorite Mac productivity app right now? Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.